Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to connect IndiaMART to Shopify. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for shopify.com. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Here, click on the Add Apps feature from the left side menu and a new pop-up will appear. Simply click on the Shopify App Store option and a new tab will load up. In the App Store, you just need to search for IndiaMART. And a bunch of apps will appear. You can select any one of the available official apps and click on the Install button. After that, click on the Install button again, and you will be redirected to this web page. Here, you just need to click on the Submit Requirements button, and then sign into your IndiaMART account to continue. So that's basically how you can connect IndiaMART to Shopify. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.